Crunchy outside, gooey, cheesy inside. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making crispy potato cheese bombs that are honestly impossible to stop eating. First, we cook the potatoes and mash them really well. Now in goes the bacon. Finely chopped green onion, 1 egg, salt, and black pepper. And yes, this already smells amazing. Give everything a really good mix until the potato mixture holds together nicely. Now grab a handful of the potato mixture and flatten it in your hand. Add a cheese stick right in the middle and wrap everything around it. Don't be shy adding more potato mixture if needed. The cheese needs to stay fully hidden or it might escape during frying. Once the cheese is sealed inside, don't let it rest. Straight into the coating station. Flour first. Then egg. And finally breadcrumbs. That crispy coating is what makes these so good. Heat the oil over medium heat. Carefully fry them until golden brown on both sides. Try not to overcrowd the pan or they won't crisp up properly. Yes, the smell at this point is torture. When they are beautifully golden, let them drip for a few seconds over the pan before setting them aside. That keeps them crispy instead of oily. And here they are, crispy on the outside with soft cheesy goodness inside. Serve them warm with fresh or pickled vegetables, whatever you like best. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow Simply Food Recipes for more easy homemade foods.